Hello viewers, this is a poultry farm for rent in Kuje Area Council of Abuja. It is a well-structured and fully functional poultry farm with about 20,000 bed capacity. It is located on the main road, just a drive-in to the poultry. Already there is presence of borehole water supply and stable electricity, and the poultry is fully fenced for maximum security. It is situated in a secured community, so there is no fear for insecurity. There is also the presence of fish pond, which is available for rent as well inside this poultry farm. Anybody that is interested in renting either this poultry or the fish pond should contact my number below. Thank you.